Hi friends, I brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Lexoberon tablets. Lexoberon tablets contain sodium picosulfate 5 milligrams in each tablet. This is made by Martin Doe Marker Limited. The box has 100 tablets in it and the price for one box is 366 rupees. Lexoberon tablet is useful for constipation, bowel evacuation and other relevant conditions. Lexoberon tablets contain an active ingredient called sodium picosulfate. It works by gently stimulating the nerve endings in the walls of the gut, in the large intestine and rectum to increase peristalsis and propel the contents of the bowel out of the body. This drug works to relieve constipation and to empty the bowel before surgery, childbirth or medical procedures like radiological examination of the bowel. Lexoberon is used to provide relief from constipation, which is difficulty in stool passing. It is also helpful with the combination of magnesium oxide and anhydrous citric acid to empty the bowel before a colonoscopy. For adults, the usual dosage is 1 to 2 tablets at night. Children with ages ranging from 4 to 10 years should be administered with half to 1 tablet at night. If you have any medication queries, then consult with your doctor or pharmacist. Some side effects of Lexoberon are headache, nausea, abdominal pain, proctalgia, diarrhea, dizziness. You should stop the use immediately and consult your doctor or pharmacist if an allergic reaction occurs. If you are pregnant or might become pregnant or think you may be pregnant or breastfeeding or planning to breastfeed, notify to your doctor or pharmacist before using this tablet. If you have any concerns about any potential side effects, please speak to a doctor. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.